Okay, it's Harold and the Keys. This is video number 3. This is the latest Vito bag I bought. Um, Always trying to find a better, maybe lighter way of doing things. It's got a flat bottom on it. Very good. So anyway, we'll get started. Um, Wire crimpers. These are channel lock. Straight up the best. Can't get any better than these. And I'm not gonna throw my tools around. Okay, this right here is a regular magnetic type screwdriver. Carry those. Also took a 1/4" bit, ground it down. Now I have an awl that so I got 2 in 1. I have the awl to line up things, or I have a magnetic screwdriver to put bits in if I need to. This little pouch right here. Damn it. Ugh. Super glue. Mandatory. This one, 1/4" 5/16" ratchet wrench. I use this a lot, a bunch. And see, let's move to here. We got Torx bits, security bits. No, these are not. These are regular Torx. Over here on this side, we have Teflon tape, black tape. Here's a tubing cutter. It's got that kind of clamped in there. Digital thermometer. Allen wrench for disposals. The small vice grips. We use those a lot on Whirlpool with those suspension rods. Regular screwdriver. Magnetic pickup tool. Telescoping. Putty knife. You guys cut the putty knife down about halfway. The blade is stiffer and tougher, and you can get those lids open a lot easier. Don't use those long ones. Pinch off hose. Pinch off pliers for hoses. It's hard to do one-handed. Got it. I'm still sticking with the old Milwaukee flashlight. They're expensive, but they're excellent. Excellent. They got a magnet on both this end and on the back end. Really good. Go to the back. You know what those are. Good needle nose. Box cutter. These are like, I think these are 6" vice grip channel locks. It's all I need. This thing gets really wide. There's really nothing that I can't get done with this. I don't need those big long ones anymore. This works really good. Over here, zip ties, little hacksaw blade. That if I need to cut something off, I just put it in my hand, whack it off. All right. This is what the hell brand name is this? This is a Klein. This is a little mini screwdriver. It's got 4 bits. Pull it out. Change it around. You get the drift. Gotta have a marker. Small crescent wrench, big enough. Don't need anything bigger. 90-degree 1/4 inch extension where you can go into those really tight spots. Just put your bit in there, put this on the end of your driver. Got it. Damn, I got 2 markers in there. Okay, never mind. This is one of those white ink pens. You push down on it, you push the tip down and you push on this and it leaves white paint. I like these. These are really good for like touch-ups, washers, dryers, refrigerators. You don't have to deal with that little bottle with a brush. These work great. Little 6-inch 1/4 inch Phillips 10-gauge piece of wire, copper wire. Sometimes I use this for drain probes on defrost pans or refrigerators. Just cut the insulation off. What else? Little 3-inch 1/4 inch extension. Believe it or not, this right here may sound crazy, but this is a hair tie for hair. I use this a lot to hold things back out of the way, like if you're doing something that's got a water shield on it and it's always flopping down on you. Just take this, put it on there, and then stick it up somewhere else up here and hold that piece of plastic out of your way. The best wire strippers as far as I'm concerned. Klein. They're small. They do the job every single time. Brush. Really good for condenser coils. It don't need to be big. It just needs to work. Down in here is a little oiler. You know, usually we get those oilers in like in a 4-ounce bottle, and they're so big that they come, you know, they come way up here and they're in the way. So I found this little bottle, and this works really good for oiler. Keeps it small. This is the new edition. I don't think I had this in one of the other videos, but it's a Milwaukee. Actually, I've had this thing a year. I've got those stick-on silicone jobs here. Just keep your bits in there. This thing breaks in half. Where the hell am I? Yeah, like so. This actually works really good. I don't miss that Bosch or those big drivers at all. This thing's got 2 speeds. Works really good for what I'm doing. You have a reaming tool. Never know when you need those for sure. And your basic feel piece. Voltmeter. Everything you need right there. Let's see, what else? Let's go over here a minute. I think I always carry one hose clamp, especially on dishwashers, maybe wash machines, that those old clamps get kind of crazy on you. I carry a 7/16, 3/8, a 1/16 inch drill right there, and this is a 1/2 inch damn it, what do you call those things? Graduated drill. They're really nice. I like those a lot. Up here in the package, up here in the handle. Damn it. That might be tougher than I thought. There it comes. Got your metric nut drivers. Don't use those a lot, but gotta have them. Cool thing about this Vito bag is that this handle is hollow. You can stick stuff in there. On the other side, I have gloves in there. Pretty cool. And that is about it. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.